Do you have a great gaming setup but a rubbish cable management? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how you can improve it with just 4 simple tools. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, my name is Romeo, host of the Cortex Studio YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about my cable management, showing you things underneath the desk, on top of the desk, and what I got underneath and how I could undo, not show you no cable, so keep your cable management nice and sleek. Let's get into it. So first, going through the things on top of the desk first. We've got the Raceway Abyssus Essential mouse here, with the Raceway Abyssus Essential mouse pad here. These two came in a combo. These are both chroma, and this came as a holiday bundle for 2018, along with the keyboard which I replaced. And we've got the Logitech G915 keyboard. It's a wireless keyboard, one of the latest ones from Logitech. Very, very sleek. I love the mechanical buttons here, which are very nice. And as for the wires here, so we've got the mousepad wire, the mouse wire, and the wire for the keyboard charger. I've routed these through a cable clip that came with the J-Turn Raceway, which I'll show you in a bit, and that goes down the PC. We've also got speakers, one on this side, the right hand side, and the left hand side. These are the Logitech G560s wireless gaming speakers. So we've got a lead here going from the back, and one on the other side here going through the back. They both go underneath the desk here, and I'll talk to you about the monitor wires later on. We've got the headphones. So these are the Corsair Virtuoso. So this is a wireless headphone stand, wireless headphones, one of their latest ones, and it's got RGB, but because it's not switched on, really nice pair of headphones. If you want less cable management, less clutter on your desk, then getting a good pair of wireless headphones will do the job. The Corsair headphones are sitting on the Corsair ST100 RGB stand here. It's got RGB, and we've also got a cable going down there underneath the desk here, and we've got the beautiful PC here. Now take a look at things under the desk. I'll also show you what's going on underneath the desk. So here we've got J-Channel Raceways, these black things here, and we've also got a smart plug connected to the desk. So let's talk to you from this side to this side. Start off here. So here we've got the cables for my printer and the cables for my headphone stand. These are done by a cable clip that was supplied by the J-Channel Raceways, which are these things here. And I routed them through this J-Channel Raceway here. So you stick these on the desk. I'll tell you to stick them at the end of this video. And you can route as many wires as can fit in. Thinner wires are better than thicker wires, or that way around. Yeah, and I routed those wires down the cable, the desk leg, and into my PC too. We've got the other one, which has the one of the speakers here. Right there. We've got monitor wires, the mousepad and mouse wires, and wires that go into the PC. We've also got the power strip. This is a Meross Power Strip. Comes with 3 UK 3-pin plugs and plus 4 USB cables, ports. We've got the monitor plug, printer plug, PC plug. And also at the end I'll tell you how I stuck all of this beneath my desk here. Moving on, we've got the PC cables. So we've got all these cables that are routed down the PC and on the legs. I've used them, tied them up using zip wires and around the desk and just bunched them up all together here. So as I said earlier, I'll be now telling you how I managed to stuck these J channels as well as the power strip underneath the table and route the cables through it. So luckily I can show you how I did the J channel raceways because I've got 2 left over. All of them come with these adhesive tape here, and you just peel this red thing off and you can stick it underneath the desk the ways you want, either this way or this way. But you wanted to be so in mind that when you do come to sticking these on, make sure you know exactly where you want to place it and you place it correctly. As if you don't like the way you positioned it and you want to reposition it, it may be hard to take it off and reposition it, so just bear that in mind. Also, this stuff is super strong, so just bear all this in mind. The cable clips that I showed you earlier that I use for the keyboard wire charger and my mouse and mousepad wires, they come with these J-Channel raceways. In fact, the one that comes with it, three more actually come with it that you didn't see under the desk, but 3 more actually come with it. So it's very handy that the manufacturers for these supply it with you. So that means you can have better keep management on top of your desk too. As for the power strip I showed you under, I used double-sided adhesive Gorilla tape, which is very good. So to wrap this all up, everyone, thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, then please hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you want to know more about this PC, you might not be able to see it. I made a full dedicated video about it in my first video. I will leave it in the description down below, or either on this side or this side here. Also, I'll leave links to everything featured in this video down below in the description. And I just want to say a big thank you for watching this video and hope you like it. Thank you everyone. Peace.